everyone, welcome to HENCH Hardware channel. Today we will introduce another kind of big hinges, soft close cabinet hinges. This one is inseparable type 1. This is not clip-on type. This is inseparable type. But this plate can move by this side. It has much spaces to adjust. It adjusts by this screw. You can see, you can adjust this way, front and back. And for this screw, it is adjust the up and down. Inside hole, this one, adjust up and down. And for this one, it is also soft closing type. It can close slowly. And for this one, it can make with 4-hole plate, and it also can with 2-hole plate. For the hinge cup, it have the 48 millimeter for the distance, 2-hole distance, and this one it is 45 millimeter for the distance. And for the hinge cup, it can with doors. For the plate, it comes with the Euro screw. And this is only 2 function hinges. It only can adjust the front and the back and up and down. Do you like this kind of hinges?